want to touch. Welcome to Sebastian Kitchen Tonight. I'm going to make today mushrooms and the date. Where's the date? And salad. Cut. Opening the line on some spices. We wash and cut the mushrooms.
Oh.
That was ready. Ta-da! Oh, get tail in there. And he made me try. Mommy can't touch them. Here's Mommy. I want to do it. He's them coming. It has a lot of lemons. I just want 2 lemon juice. And I ate it. I'm not tasting it now. I have room. Then we tie up the film. And then no told. It's important to eat carefully. Ew, I'm getting toasty.
Oh. No.
All done. We're ready to dinner. Phew, we are done. Pharmacy had to eat. But we should. It was amazing. See you next time.